Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'll show you what we ran into today. So came up doing a maintenance on this system and found this in here. The common wire has actually gotten burnt up, and it also melted the terminal where it plugs in. Went and told the homeowner, and he gave me the go ahead to get this swapped out. So I'll show you how to get this really nice and cleaned up. Definitely make sure the power's turned off. So just by experience, I remember which ones are which on these Linux systems, the wires. Your purple is always going to be your fan. And then you got your red as your common. And then your yellow is going to be your Herm. So for this wire, I'm going to go ahead and clip that. And this should just be a wire that goes straight down to your contactor. So there it is. I'm going to get it replaced with a new one. And these wires are super easy to make. So you just got a roll of wire here. So you want to get it about the same size, so you know you got enough. Strip back both ends. Get your wire connectors, or your spade connectors. I like the kind that's got the plastic around it, especially for anything at the outdoor unit where it could weather. It's a little long. So about that length is where you want to be. You definitely need some of these if you're a tech and you don't have any. They definitely come in handy with these spade connectors. And always check, make sure your connection is really good. Now it's just going to be as easy as getting one side plugged back in, the same side of the contactor that you took it off of. Okay. And I'm putting in a new start capacitor, which is this brand is a Titan 45/5, and it's not going to fit. So some people will just set it in the bottom and put tape around it. But I like to make a new strap. So what you want to do, and get your new capacitor, get it in place. Just get an idea of what you're going to need. Then you'll need some, jeez, sorry about the sun. I'm gonna get a GoPro, I promise. All right, so after you get it cut, then get your capacitor and go ahead and get it put on. All right, get that tightened on there. And I always like to slide it down to where the next guy can see what size capacitor you're dealing with, so they don't have to go about, you know, taking everything off. So this is the new wire here. And this one's gonna be my common, which is over here. Jeez, can't see anything. All right, and then for this ream, purple is gonna be your fan. And then my yellow wire is gonna be my Herm for the compressor. All right. All these wires are a big mess. Go ahead and get all those put back, get you another zip tie. It's not gonna hurt to take another extra two minutes to try to make stuff look good and look nice. I mean, this stuff's got your name on it, you know. Next time someone comes out, they see that you was here, they're like, man, he took the extra time to make its own strap and to, you know, put everything back together the right way. It really just says a lot about your work. So also, when you see anything burnt like that, you also want to check, just make sure your compressor isn't overamping. So I checked that. Everything looked good. It was definitely just a loose connection on there. So always just go back over everything. Make sure you're not missing anything, because I'm definitely bad about sometimes I get in too big of a hurry. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I hope the video helped you. I know it was sort of a self-explanatory type video. Most of y'all probably already gonna know how to do it. Just trying to get some of my videos back going. I know the zone board video was a big success. A lot of people's been asking for more, so I'm definitely going to start this back up, trying just to do some helpful tips, show you how to do different things, and just subscribe and like, man. I appreciate it. Talk to you next time.